Hello everyone, and welcome back to OhmKat TV here. We're going to have a little installation video as we've done in the past. This time we're going to do with a SimpliCam video doorbell from SimpliSafe. There's a great video doorbell that comes with their SimpliSafe security system. We have our OhmKat power supplies here. We have our US version, which we'll be using today. SimpliSafe also offers a version of their security system for the UK market. So we also offer a UK 3-prong 220 volts power supply that works perfectly in that environment. Anyway, we're going to put that one to the side. We won't be using that today. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox this SimpliSafe video doorbell. It's a great video doorbell, nice packaging. I like the fact that they've now gone to the craft paper, limited ink, more recyclable. Here's the video doorbell. You can see it's a pretty good looking video doorbell. Easy to pull out of the box. Light is shining already because I had to do a little bit pre-charge so that this video can go a little faster. Put that to the side. Little insert. Backplate. This is the key part that makes SimpliSafe a little bit different. You can see the SimpliSafe video doorbell does not have any screws on the back of it. Instead, they put them on the backplate. So when you install this backplate in front of your house, you're going to make this installation much easier by attaching the wires here instead of having it there and have this thing dangling. It's a big mess, which is most video doorbells. This one is much better. So anyway, we'll get there in a second. Then inside, pull out some inserts. Instructions, simple instructions. Screwdriver for attaching it to the wall. And then, which we won't be using today. And then inside here, a wedge and some screws. Now those are great. You can see this wedge, nice little angle to it. Those are great depending on your door. We don't need those, as in we're just doing as if the OhmKat on the wall today. So we'll put that aside. So anyway, here we go. SimpliSafe OhmKat. Remember the OhmKat power supply is short protected, is patented technology, and is the best solution to install a video doorbell if you do not have existing power or if your existing power is somehow insufficient. Works great, simple plug-in, standard doorbell wire that allows for a fairly simple installation in any house. For a professional installer with a screwdriver, with a drill, say it can be a doorbell in any house in 30 minutes or less. In this case, if you're doing a DIY, doing it yourself, it's also pretty easy. Just have to find an outlet, run it either through a hole or through the molding, and you're good to go. Okay, so let's get started. Here, every OhmKat comes with the power supply and an extra piece of wire with this great split connection that allows for easy installation, warranty repairs if needed, with a lifetime warranty, as well as installation of our chime, which will be another video. Anyway, first thing you're going to do is you take your back plate. Your wire should be coming from behind the video doorbell. I got my handy dandy screwdriver right here. And with SimpliSafe, it's a little different. See these little squares on the screws? You're going to want to install the wires behind those screws, behind those squares. It's pretty... Let me pull this wire out of there. Behind the screws, screw it down. The squares actually make it easier, which is nice. Put this one, put the second one the same way. Now there's no polarity. It doesn't matter which screw gets the red and which screw gets the black. All right, you're screwed in. Then you're gonna take the SimpliSafe, put it right in the back plate, and slide it down. See this, it locks in place. It's good to go. Now we're there. Connect the power supply at the split connection and plug it in. You can see the light is amber. It is supposed to be. It's only one color. It does not go green. So just want to make sure people oh, it's a yellow light. Is there a problem? No, it's exactly what it's supposed to be. But there you're installed. This SimpliSafe is now installed, hardwired, and ready to install in the app. It's that simple. No additional diodes, no resistors, nothing but the SimpliSafe, the wire, and our power supply. Now, little extra couple tips. If you have existing video doorbell wire, you can use it. Attach it to your SimpliSafe, and then just connect these wires to that wire inside your home, and you're going to be good to go. All right. Now, thank you very much. If there's any questions, you go to ohmkat.com or contact SimpliSafe. We